lifting your...
This is the queen. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, Katie. Look, want to see in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
check it out, Maddie.
That's really... Can I see the queen? No. I can't really see it though.
That's the queen. So you put her in the hive for a couple days before you take her before you take her cork out. Nico, come here. This is the queen, honey.
That's really cool.
Better hurry because the bees are going to start looking for
Okay, go. Go, we're good. We're good.
No, we're
not.
Nico needs to see.
Really cool. Whoa!
Okay, we're
So
good.
she has a little cork in there. In a couple days, I'll have to come back out here and put her cork out. Put a little marshmallows in there instead, so the bees can free her.
Oh. Put marshmallows. That's cool. Marshmallows. Look.
Breathe, queen.
Well, look how many bees are right there in that line.
I know, that's awesome. Mom probably sprayed it.
Yeah, I think Mom sprayed there. She sprayed.
It's kind of crazy.
I don't care.
All the flowers are there. All these flowers.
Sprayed it?
Mom sprayed it.
On purpose?
I was trying to claw out the bees.
Maddie, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Close up on.
There's the butterfly.
The fun
There it is.
part. Look how weird. There's a bunch of butterflies.
It looks so weird, Mom.
Do you kill any bees?
Probably.
No.
Oh, they're getting scary.
What's on you? Right here.
Getting angry.
Oh, really cool. All it takes is one tracker jacker. What if these were tracker jackers?
Oh, what?
Well, guys, look above us. Oh!
It'd be funny if the
Mom, Daddy, look up over there.
I see them, Cameron. Trying not to look and freak myself out.
By their home. Oh my God, I forgot this again. Here's the other one. You should have this in first.
It's right here.
What is that?
It just makes a. I'll tell you in a minute. It's called reducer.
Okay.
Does it reduce the flow of the sugar water?
Nope. Reduces things from getting in there.
Oh! I see.
Uh-huh.
Hopefully in
How
a
many?
year or so, we'll have a nice little amount of honey.
How long does it take about to fill up like one of those? Just one sheet thing.
Honey, I don't know. We'll have to look up some of that stuff.
Cool. Cool, dude. That's rad.
So we're just going to leave those bees there, the extra ones who want to get out. Pretty soon, they'll make their way to their queen. They go in that little hole.
Did you already do that one?
Woo! Beekeeper extraordinaire. Backyard beekeeping, babies.